These are all my plants that love to grow in water. We got the ZZ plant. Nice root section down there. There's another one back there. This is my bigger one. There's how long it is. And back here I have Sansevieria. And I just noticed a new leaf is coming out down there. And it's propagating nice in there. And it's been in there for a while. This one, the ZZ plant's been in there about probably a few years. And it's doing pretty well. And I have a purple heart. This has just been in here a couple weeks. It's already getting roots. And I have a photos back here. Very easy to care for. And also I have my avocado tree. It's been in there about a month and it's really getting big. Lots of roots on it. And let's see, we got some spider plants over here. Lots of roots. Chinese evergreen. Lots of roots coming out on this one. New leaves coming up. Peace lily. These plants they do well in water, especially if you're busy and you just want to keep them in water. Just make sure you change them every, at least every few days. Keep them in fresh water. This Monsteria. It's got big leaves on there. I got three back here. All the roots on the Monsteria plants. Okay. Also have a peperomia. Let's see, we got some roots coming out on this one. Got two back here. And these do pretty well in water. I've noticed since I've had most of these in here for a few years now, so very easy to take care of in the water situation. And if you have any other questions or anything, just leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.